What's up guys, this is Andrew with Diamond Graphics. So we got this custom carbon fiber yoke steering wheel from Pimp My EV. So we're gonna do a little DIY on how to replace your Tesla steering wheel. These are the tools you need to remove your steering wheel. The first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna remove these two screws on the back of the steering wheel, which will loosen your airbag. You'll take a couple pry tools and remove your airbag, and then you'll remove the large center nut in the middle, remove your steering wheel, replace it with the carbon fiber one, and then refit the original airbag with all the components back onto this. So for a DIY, it's not necessarily the easiest thing to do. It is pretty dangerous because there's an airbag involved, so if you have no idea what you're doing, I would highly recommend not to do this in case the airbag goes off prematurely. But bring it to any shop that's qualified to do it if you have any questions. It should take about 2 or 3 hours. And this is the final result. Thanks for watching. Feel free to like and subscribe. If you guys got any questions about vinyl wrap or Tesla modifications, feel free to leave a comment.